Hello there, Peppermint Patties. It's Stephen with Altman Plants here to talk to you about 3 super little rockstar aloes that go by the name of Aloe Christmas Sleigh, Aloe Snowstorm, and Aloe Blizzard. These 3 little guys look great together in a dish garden. I especially like them with rose-shaped succulents like Ghost Plant. Cool bumps, neat teeth, awesome patterns. They color up in the sun, or you can leave them more indirect light. Will it preserve more green? Lovely flowers, there we go, there they are as well. And they cluster up beautifully. And they're available now at shopaltmanplants.com.